Hello, guys. Hello, guys. Welcome to Avantika Technologies. Here, we are going to learn about palindrome. What is palindrome? Palindrome is basically you can use a method where the number or a string is not preferred. So, you can say that a number that is same after reverse. For example, if there is 545, so this is a palindrome. If you reverse also, it will remain the same after reversing also. So such type of numbers or a string which remains same after reversing them also is named as a palindrome. So now firstly we try to have the how we will make the palindrome here. We just have this. Whatever things we are having here, we can just take a new project out of that, so that a fresh project we will create with respect to Java. So here we will create a project from template, and after creating it we will name as palindrome example. So we name as palindrome example. So we name it as one, so that all things get fine. This window, yes, in this window only. So we just have this. Now we are having the main program. So we will get the number to the palindrome. Then we have to hold the number in a temporary variable. Then we have to reverse and compare the temp variable with the reversed number. If both numbers are same, then we will print the palindrome, and if not, that it is not a palindrome. Only these things we have to do. So firstly we take it that if there is a number, then we have to take it that some variables we have to take. So we take int r to have, and we have to have the sum, which is will be 0, and will be having the temp also. So we just take the temp, and these number of variables we have taken it up. After that we take a number. So int n is equal to 454. So, here, after taking this, we will say that if temp variable equals to 1, and while n is greater than equals to 0, then number value is greater than equals to 0. Then what it will do, then it will ratio it r is equal to n model and modulus 10, so that it will give the remainder to us, and it will by that way we will get the sum, and we will have the sum multiplied by 10 plus r. So what it will do, that it will help us to basically it will give the multiple by 10, and it will whatever the modulus we have got, we will sum that. Then it will this will get the number n is equal to n divided by 10, which will get the reverse of that. So now after that we can just simply ask is if temp equals to sum. So because we have already gone through the sum there, so here we can say that temp equals to sum, then system dot out dot println palindrome. It's palindrome, and else we can say uh, system dot out dot println. It is not palindrome. It is not palindrome. It is not palindrome. See, that's how. So we can run now. We can run, and we can get the result. So 545 is a palindrome, so we are getting the answer. But if we change like some other number, if we change it, then it will tell that it's not a palindrome. If the number is not palindrome, just like 742, it is not a palindrome. So, so it's not a palindrome. So it will give us that it is not a palindrome. So we have run the program, and it is not a palindrome. So we have got that it is not a palindrome um, as a result out of that. So, there are other ways also. We can test that that it's a palindrome or not. So we again create a project, or in the same, I just write the code for you. So here, whatever things we have taken, we just command them, and after making that we just put some input for inputting the object string class. So we just put a string original, and there is a reverse also will be happening. So so like this it will be. So we take both like that variables we have defined, and then we take the scanner class, scanner as c is equal to new scanner, and system.in. It will help us in reading the content, and after that we will having the original. So we will place original sc.next int, next line basically. So next line it will give. So here now it is reading the next line, means here we are checking the string or a number to check it is palindrome or not. So system.out.println, and enter the string or number is palindrome or not. So it will give the status to us, and after that we will take a length. So int length we have taken, and we put length to the original particularly length of that, so that we can easily place the for loop in that having the palindrome in that. So int I is equal to length whatever we have taken minus 1, and then if I is greater than equals to 0, and I minus minus, so it is iterating in the from the last loop. So means if we are going to reverse it, then we were going to reverse plus plus original dot character at it will character at I, and by that way. And um, now if original dot equal if original dot equals reverse, then if this is done, then so it will say that system dot out dot println. So it will say us that entered string or number is palindrome.